How's it going, guys? Hot day, 35. Still in the shop working though. We gotta get this trailer. Got some cracking happen, so we're gonna weld here. We got some cracking happen here. It's mainly because they only put 2 support bars in, and this mesh is being pushed back every time we're driving my heavy quad up. Weighs 1,067 pounds, so we cut up some nice size angle iron. Already pounded one side in here. We just gotta weld it in. That's exactly where my tire goes. And once I get it all welded in, we'll push this back down and weld it, so that doesn't happen again. Gotta get this trailer fixed up. Definitely has a couple boards that could be replaced as well. We'll get at it. Alright, we got both bars set in place. Looking pretty good. And weld them up and make sure my wheel doesn't go through that mesh, because there wasn't much holding it on the side, as you can see. Alright, we got all the bars welded in. Gotta clean them up, paint it. Looks pretty good. Main part is the gates on there straight. It's not sagging, and it's all stable when I go up it. So it's a one win here, and it was one hot day getting this done. Took several breaks, but it was worth it. Definitely needed those bars. 1,067 pounds of quad going up it, bent those grates right in.